Chapter 12 Subtraction up to 100. Today, we'll learn how to subtract numbers up to 100. Get ready to explore two exciting methods. Subtraction without borrowing and the other subtraction with borrowing. Let's learn subtraction together. Subtraction without borrowing. Here, we will subtract 2 from 83. Draw 3 lines for 3. To subtract 2 from 3, cancel 2 lines from the right. Then, count the remaining lines and write below the 2 numbers. Since there is no number to deduct from 8 on the left, it will come down as it is. And we get the answer as 81. Subtraction with borrowing. Now, let's subtract 3 from 52. Write down the numbers vertically, with the larger number on top and the smaller number below it. Start from the rightmost column. Since 2 is smaller than 3, we need to borrow from the tens place. Cross out the 5 in the tens place and make it 4. Then add 10 to the ones place. So, 2 becomes 12. Draw 12 lines. To subtract 3 from 12, cancel 3 lines from the right. Then count the remaining lines. Hence, 12 minus 3 equals 9. 4 will drop down as it is. So 52 minus 3 equals 49.